we really cared. And we find working with each other so inspiring. The four of us in the band, we really know how to work well with each other and appreciate what everyone brings to the band. So that being said, every time we get to go out, like, I feel like I'm not paid for the shows. You know, I love playing the shows and we have so much fun. Like, I do that for free. Leaving the wife and kids and being away from home for that time and living in relative discomfort of being on a bus every night, going to the next city after city after city, sharing a backstage. Sometimes there's one bathroom for 20 people. That kind of sucks. You know, but you make it work because the shows are always blissful, and the energy we get from the crowds, the people singing along to the songs I've been singing along with for 20 years is the dream come true. So we're very lucky. We all know that it could go away if we don't treat it right, and if we're not passionate about it. So we are, and we really believe in the band.